In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air intake tube on your Toyota Camry located under your hood. Using a 10mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen this clamp. Follow it to the opposite side of the air intake tube. Right at the throttle body, we're going to loosen this one here. Now on the bottom side right here, right in the middle, is going to be a third clamp. I'll loosen this one here. Now right around the back side, there is going to be a little vacuum port right here. We're going to go ahead and use some pliers. Going to go ahead and open up that clamp and slide this out. And we have this 10mm bolt right here. Let's go ahead and loosen that. And with that bolt loose and removed, we can now separate the air intake tube. Remove that. Now on the old intake tube, we want to go ahead and remove the clamps. Go ahead and set that aside. Go ahead and install the clamps on the new hose. On the old hose, you want to go ahead and pop out this little metal insert. This is almost like a crush sleeve here, so it'll prevent you from putting the bolt in here and just crushing the rubber. Go ahead and press that in. Now on this back vacuum hose here, I want to go ahead and remove this T. Pull that up and out. Now we're going to install our air intake tube. As we line this up, we want to make sure we get that vacuum hose placed on the back port here first. Then we'll get our tube ends installed. Bring the air intake hose over. I'm going to put it onto the air box and twist that in. Line this up and work that onto our throttle body. And then in the middle over here, I'm going to get this installed onto this lower box. I'm going to install our 10mm bolt. I'm going to snug down this bolt here. Then we can go ahead and start to snug down our clamps. You do want to make sure those are snug, but you don't have to over tighten them. We'll come on up to our throttle body area. Make sure that hose is fully seated on the throttle body. Then we'll come on over to the airbox side. On the back side of the air intake tube, I want to make sure we can get that vacuum hose installed. Push it up and on. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.